if I've got an expert like you on the team, then I don't need to go and add, because I feel like if I add those emails through instantly, then I'm stuck with them even if that's not the right solution. You reached out on LinkedIn at like the exact right time where I was like, I'm just throwing money at this. I'm throwing money away. I'm not doing it right. I know that cold outreach can work, just not the way I've been doing it. Long time.
That's not a problem. Work is always the first priority.
Well, sleep is good too, though, right? Where are you located?
I'm from Bangladesh. I'm in the capital. I'm in Dhaka.
Cool. Cool. I'm excited to be working with you, and so I can show you what I have. It's basically just instantly.
Yeah, you can share your screen.
So it's just instantly. And I don't think my campaigns are great. I've only ever done, I don't think their leads are very good. So I've only ever done their leads. I don't know if that's the right.
You scrape leads from instantly, or you scrape it from somewhere else?
Yeah, no, I've only ever used theirs. And so here's the results of my 2 campaigns. I've gotten 12 responses total. It's not working, right? Let me just pause these because they're just not working. And they're not like, every time I try to do more things than instantly, they're like, oh yeah, you can do this if you give us thousands more dollars. So I want to stick with what we have, which is maybe not the right plan, but I'm like, I don't know. I'm open to lots of different things aside from the fact that instantly convinced me to pay for a year. So
How many sending accounts currently do you have connected with
how many do I have? 10, I think.
10? Okay.
1, 2, 3, 6.
Yes. So we have a sending limit. You cannot send a lot, I guess, correct? Are you satisfied with that, or you want to increase the sending limit?
I'd be okay. So here's my main thing is that I don't, if you think instantly is good enough, like, yeah, sure, we can just keep adding it to instantly. But my thought was like, if I've got an expert like you on the team, then I don't need to go and add, because I feel like if I add those emails through instantly, then I'm stuck with them even if that's not the right solution. Does that make sense?
Yes, I got it. Okay. And let me ask about your niche. What niche you are targeting?
Well, I haven't niched down yet. My thought for like the first 6 months of the year was to target financial advisors because they have to put out content and they never do. So I was gonna like switch gears. Like right now, I've just been doing like social media managers, or because my tool is a social media tool that helps with like thought leadership type of content. So it like takes a news feed and then rewrites it in your own tone of voice. So like people who need to be on, I think it'll be financial advisors to begin with. I've got enough context there that I could actually do it. In the back end, I build everybody a custom RSS feed. So the fewer of those I have to do, then the cheaper that is on that end. So like if it's all just financial content, then it shouldn't be too many different feeds. That said, that's what I want to go with now. I haven't done that yet. And like you reached out on LinkedIn at like the exact right time where I was like, I'm just throwing money at this. I'm throwing money away. I'm not doing it right. I know that cold outreach can work, just not the way I've been doing it.
Okay, no worries. Let me give you a little bit of background about myself. I've been doing email marketing for the last 5-6 years, and I've used most training tools like Instantly, Smartly, List. And when it comes to setting up the email accounts, I've experienced with setting up emails with Google Workspace and Office 365. I believe you bought those email accounts from Instantly, correct?
I did, yeah.
So I can help you out to set up sending accounts outside of Instantly. They're going to cost you $3 for each account, not more than that. And I can give you full access of that, the Google admin access. And you just have to buy the domain and share me the access. Then I can set up those email accounts for you if you want to increase the sending limit in that case. And then I can also help you with the leads, not from Instantly, from Apollo. I have that access as well. Normally, if you go to Apollo.io, Apollo, they are charging around $100 for 2,000 leads per month. What I can do for you, I can help you to scrape Apollo leaves, 10,000 Apollo leaves only in $30. That's gonna
Okay.
yeah, that's gonna save a lot of money. And the next step would be once we download those lead, we have to verify those leads to be verified. Otherwise, the bounce rate gonna be high, and that's gonna impact the domain health score, and the result gonna be zero. So we don't want that to happen. For verifying process, we need another tool. There's a couple of tool available like Million Verifier, Reon. I can also help you out with that. Million
Okay.
Verifier is charging. If you go to their website, they are charging $37 to verify 10,000 leads. On the other hand, Reon is charging $12 to verify 10,000 leads. Okay.
Okay.
So you can buy the subscription, or if you want me to verify, I can charge only $10 to verify 10,000 leads for you. It's up to you totally, okay? And that's another part. When it comes to setting up the email, I have proper experience with setting up the DNS record like DKIM, SPF, DMARC to make sure of the deliverability. And if those things are right, if the setup is a proper way, if we set up in a proper way, if the leads are good, leads are verified, then it comes to the offer, the content of the email, like the subject line, the content what we're selling. So if it is not lucrative enough, then we may not get enough results. So we can do A/B testing. We can keep on changing the subject line and see which one is working. Then we can go for the winning campaign. You got it? And then the next process would be once someone says interested or wants to know more, then we can share your calendar link to book the meeting on your calendar, or maybe we can follow up with them. Or if you have any cold caller in your team, the cold caller can take it from there. It's totally up
Okay.
to you. Do you have any CRM like Go High Level, or you don't have any CRM?
No, I don't have a CRM right now, and I hate Go High Level, so I won't use that.
No, I'm just giving an example.
Yeah. No, I know what you mean. I know what you mean. But like, I don't have one right now. And I don't. I will. I'm happy to use one, but because I haven't ever gotten the only response I ever got was no. So far, and I know I need to be like sending 10,000 emails a day type of thing. But like, yeah, we can do it. I can create a CRM down the line.
Six sending accounts. Sorry to interrupt. With six sending accounts, currently our capacity would be like 30 max from each account. So six maximum we can send like 180 emails per day.
I know. So we need a bunch more email addresses, is what you're saying.
Minimum 500 is good, but to get a good amount of result, 1,000 is better. So if budget is the issue, then you can start with 500 per day. Okay.
Okay.
For 500, we may need to already you have six. So for 500 email, we need around 15 to 16 domain. 15 to 16 email accounts, and for 16 email accounts, we need around 6 domain. Okay.
Okay. And I think I bought I bought some of the domains through Instantly. You'll have to see once you have.
Okay, I can, not a problem. Instantly will give you the access of the domain or not? They have the access.
I don't remember.
I don't think they will give you the access.
I don't think so. So we can. I mean, I can just go buy those like cheap ones. Okay. So what do you need access to? You need access to.
I need access to Instantly. I can share my email to you.
Is that the same one that's in our hair? Let me see if it's the same one.
In the meeting links, the same email.
Okay. Like I think it's a Gmail account, right?
Gmail, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Once you buy the domain, like maybe from GoDaddy, maybe from Namecheap, then share me the access, and then I can help you to get a Google account. That's gonna cost you $3 for each email. Let me tell you, and that's gonna be a monthly recurring fee. Okay.
Yeah, but we're not getting like the whole suite, right? Like, or do you have the whole Google suite? Is that
You're gonna get the Google admin account.
okay? Okay.
The business starter package, and that's a reseller account. If you get it from Google directly, Google is charging $7 for each user, but I can help you to get in $3, so you can save money there as well. Okay, it's only gonna be a lot.
Okay, so once if I buy the domains, I can just give you access to Namecheap. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, just give me the access, then I can start working on setting up those new email accounts. So once I'm done with the setup, then I can add them with your Instantly and start the warm up process. We need to warm them up minimum 2 weeks, 15 days, 14 days, and then you can start using them for the marketing purpose. And Let me ask you, are you using any link on your first email? Any link, any website link, or any photos? Nothing like that. It's plain.
Yeah. I was following somebody who had built up a software quickly through cold outreach. I was using like that format. Um
And as I was
but
saying to you regarding Apollo, let me show you something. Apollo.
so will you just invoice me separately? I don't know how Upwork works. So will you invoice me separately for the other access stuff?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna like Upwork gonna charge for the hourly task that I'm gonna do for you. And if you want to buy the Google email account and then the lead, that's gonna be different. You can have to pay me separately. Like
Okay, so you'll send me
I can show
whatever
you
bill.
why you have Wise.
I don't have Wise, but I don't think it's hard to get. So
Yeah, Wise is good for me. Payoneer is good for me. You can pay me from there. Can you see
what was the second one you said? I have PayPal, but
PayPal
that's
is
probably not
charging
great.
6%. I mean, that's pretty. What? Yeah, whatever you pay me, they will take 6% from that.
Okay.
I had
So either Wise or I pay 6% extra on PayPal. Fine.
yeah,
But
Wise is fine, and then Payoneer is fine as well. Payoneer.
Payoneer. Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Do you want me to like I can send you through OnePass? I can send you the passwords. I can share it with you. Um
Yeah, that you can do. If that's not an issue for you, then not a problem. Let me share my screen first and show you the Apollo. Can you see my screen?
yes.
So in Apollo, as you can see here, uh, all you have to do just open a free account, sign up for a free account. Don't have to subscribe anything, and then you have to do the filters. Like come to people section, and from here, select the verified option, then job titles. Maybe the owner, the founder, the marketing manager, then the country that you're targeting. I believe you're targeting USA, correct?
Yeah.
And then your niche. In your case, is going to be financial advisor. If you cannot find the niche in this drop down menu, then what you have to do, you have to like put
Okay.
put the name over here. Let me type it now right now. The name on them. Financial. Once you type the financial advisor, it will show you the leads that Apollo has, and then all you have to do, you have to copy that URL, link, and pass it on to me, and then I can save that list for you. Correct? Okay.
Okay,
Or
and I just gave you
uh,
the I shared the link to the password to Instantly and my password to Namecheap. I don't think I have two-factor on either one of them, but since you're here right now, you might want to check. There's nothing for you in Namecheap yet.
what did you share in my email?
No, it's in just here. It's a link in the chat.
Oh, okay. Let me check. I'm installing the extension. Sharing my account. Give me a moment. I don't know why it's not working.
Which one?
It has asked me to create an account. I just created the account, but it's not working.
On Instantly or one password?
One password.
Oh, I can just give you the password. Um, let me. Okay, Instantly. It's oops, that one. Okay, and then okay. See if you can log in with that. No need to overcomplicate it, right?
Okay, let me check then yours. This is for one password, correct?
No, that's for Instantly.
That's for instantly.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's Instantly.
Yes, I'm in the instantly now. I got the access.
Okay, great.
Bought very few amount of leads. Okay, so the next step would be just some domain around 5 or 6 domain. Then I'm gonna create 18 more sending accounts from 6 domain, and then we can take it from there.
Okay, perfect. I will send you. Is email your favorite way to communicate?
Yes, email, or you can get in touch with me through WhatsApp. Are you on WhatsApp or maybe
I am on WhatsApp.
Sure, definitely. Share your number, please, and I can send you send you a text.
I never know how to do that.
You can share your number, or I can share my number. Whatever is fine.
I don't know. Is my number the same as my regular phone number?
Yeah, the what number you use on your WhatsApp? I think it's a regular phone number, I guess.
Yeah. Okay. So it's country code 1. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Okay. It's 150.
Let me save it first. Let me now search you on WhatsApp. Yeah, I found you. I'm gonna text you.
Okay.
I just texted you hi. Got it?
Okay. Perfect. Okay. Hi there. WhatsApp is probably easiest for me. So
Yeah, if you get in touch with me, you can definitely text me over there if you need anything, or I need anything. And that email is Same email is from my Wise email. If you want to pay for these email account, then you have to transfer the money through Wise using that email.
Okay, perfect. Yep, that's Gmail. Okay, awesome. Okay, I will be in touch. I will let you know when I've got more accounts, and then yeah, we'll take it from there.
Yeah, sure. Definitely. It's been nice having a chat with you and looking forward to working for you.
Yeah, and thanks for your patience around the holidays. I had all the intentions, and then I never got back to my desk. So
I was like, "Oh, what happened? Kathleen just sent me
like,
the
you just
contract
sent me something. Where did you go? I know. Sorry.
It's fine.
Okay.
It's fine. Not a problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Manir, it's very nice to meet you. I'm very excited to work with you.
Same here. Have a great day. Bye bye.
You too.